I feel like a modern retelling of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre could work.
Turd.
There's no reason it couldn't be as scary as the original time period. The family is sort of plucked from another time anyway, and the isolated farmhouse wouldn't necessarily have to be impacted by modern times. And to solve the, well, everybody has a cell phone problem, it's pretty far out in the countryside, right? So you could legitimately say that service is just terrible.
God damn, I can't believe it!
And to top it all off, perhaps these Sawyers have rigged a makeshift scrambler atop their roof or something.
I'm the Lord of the Harvest.
Who's that?
There, problem solved. Happy August 18th, 2023, or whenever the movie would come out.
Dog will hunt.
It's doable. Would be hard work, but doable.
You sit the fuck down and shut up.
Good night.